How to open HTML files on Android. This tutorial shows you how to view any HTML file directly on your device in just a few steps. First, open the Files app on your Android device. After that, navigate to the folder where your HTML file is saved. Check your Downloads folder or wherever you stored it. From there, tap on the HTML file to open it. Let me show you. At this point, your device will ask you to choose an app to open it with. Select Chrome from the list to view the HTML file in your browser. In the next step, Chrome will load the HTML file and display it just like a regular web page on your screen. From there, if Chrome isn't showing up as an option, tap on Always or Just Once and look for Chrome in the list. If it's still not there, make sure Chrome is installed on your device. From here, if you want to edit the HTML file instead of just viewing it, open the Play Store and download a code editor app like Acode or Quick Edit. These apps let you open and edit HTML files directly on your Android device. Here's an important note. If your HTML file has linked CSS or JavaScript files, make sure all the related files are in the same folder. Otherwise, some elements of the page may not display correctly when opened in Chrome. And that's it. If this guide helped you open HTML files on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.